How to fix Valorant black screen on launch, or whenever you start Valorant all you see is a black screen. First you need to open up the Riot client and then click on your profile logo and then go to settings, and now you want to select Valorant and then hit the repair button at the bottom right here and then click on start repair and wait for it to repair your files. And once it finishes repairing your files, you will need to open up your GPU applications. So for NVIDIA, it's NVIDIA app. You will need to download and install NVIDIA app and then go to the drivers section. And from here, select Game Ready driver and make sure to download and install the latest Game Ready driver version. And once you download and install the latest driver, all you need to do is restart your computer. And once your computer is restarted, you will need to basically run the Riot client as admin by right-clicking on it before actually launching Valorant, and then hit run as admin. And once you launch that, you will need to hit the play button on Valorant to launch it from here, and that should fix the black screen issue. Subscribe if this was helpful, and see you in the next one.